ahashamshanje n'edakika 50 omwebembezi w'ihanga Gen. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yahika cayi ekyakororo oguya yakira speaker w'ishenjero lihanga Right Honorable Annette Among, omuhwezi we Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, omudumizi wa police omusya General Secretary ow'ekibine kya NRM Richard Todong, ahamwe n'abamemba ba parliamenti ababahikireho bamutegereze kandi oguyahikaho na First Lady kandi ori Minister w'ebyobwegese n'emizano Janet Kataha Museveni. Nkoguguri omujenzo ogwa parliament ababanzana no kuteeka emikono omu bitabo bya parliament okwereka ngo kushitama kwa parliament kwabaho. Ori speaker ow'ishenjero lihanga yasima President ahabo kwatiraho ihanga kandi akashagika ebyemizano okurebeka ngo timu y'ihanga egarukire kuzana mu kishayi cy'ihanga ekya Nambole.
His Excellency the President of Republic of Uganda and the First Lady Mama Janet Museveni, who is also a Minister of Education and Sports, for the enormous support they have given to sports. We want to thank you so much. This support is demonstrated in various ways. For the first time, our national team, Uganda Cranes, is going to play in Nambole tomorrow.
We yagamba na bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebi parliament ebasize kukora.
We also want to thank you, Your Excellency, for ensuring that this year we were able to win the hosting of AFCON. Uganda will be hosting AFCON and providing money for all the infrastructural development that is required by AFCON.
President Museveni omukugamba kwe yajumirira obushomankuzi obwijiro mu offices tari zimwe na zimwe awe yagira ngo abantu bingi bejumbire omukwiba sente eza government.
People in my office take bribes from people to bring people to see me. Can you imagine? But fortunately, recently we arrested one of them. He's alleged, according to the rules, I should not be accused that I'm saying something sub judice, which is in the court. He's alleged to have extorted shares and money from an investor who was coming from somewhere. It is not the court.
Oguyashoborora ngo abakozi aba government no bakwasira kati omukwiba sente awe yagira ngo ekine kintu cyakabikamani.
Public servants and political leaders that steal government money are corrupt and will be crushed. There are, however, other actors that get bribes from foreigners to work for foreign interests. These are both corrupt and traitors, and we are monitoring their activities. If they do not stop, and with evidence, we shall deal with them also.
President yayongera yashoborora ngo abari kuguza sente narishi bakafuna ngo hamwe na za banka nibata amagoba mingi ahabantu ngo baremesa abanya-Uganda okubasa kutunguka.
The bloodthirsty parasites in the form of the unregulated money lenders who charge extortionate interest rates from these desperate political actors when they come to borrow money for unuseful expenditures. I've already directed the Minister of Finance to cap the interest rates chargeable by money lenders.
Okugamba kwa President ni kuba kuriho kugamba okugira ngo President abasegambira ihanga ebireho omwaka obwihanga riri kuza kutaha omwaka gwebye sente omusya. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Sky TV omuri Kampala.